Thanks for choosing the Dutch Cycle Mapping Plus Complete bundle. This comprehensive test is designed for symptomatic women who want to better understand their hormone patterns throughout the entire menstrual cycle. It includes the benefits of the Dutch Complete, which measures 35 different hormone markers. Urine samples for the cycle mapping portion are collected once daily in the morning throughout your cycle. This is followed by 4 additional samples collected on the 4th day of your new cycle. By combining cycle mapping with the Dutch Complete's in-depth analysis of androgens, estrogen metabolites, and adrenal hormones, this bundle delivers unparalleled insight, allowing your provider to craft personalized and targeted care recommendations. In this video, I'll walk you through what comes in your kit, how to collect, properly dry and store your urine samples, as well as how to return all pieces to our lab for processing. Let's get started. When you receive your kit at your home or from your provider, you'll find a single-page instruction sheet, 25 urine collection strips, a resealable bag for your dried samples, your requisition form, and a prepaid return mailer. Let's begin by carefully reviewing the instructions. This test is not intended to be used by women on hormonal birth control, nor is it meant for women who are postmenopausal. If either of these applies to you, please consult your provider before considering this test. In addition, this test is not intended to monitor hormones. If you're on oral estrogen or progesterone therapy or taking oral contraceptives, this test will not perform as designed. This is because these medications impact urine values significantly. If you're using a hormonal IUD or topical hormone creams, it's best to call our lab or speak with your provider for specific guidance before you begin collection. Follow all collection day reminders in your kit to ensure the accuracy of your results. Prior to collection, make sure to fill out your requisition form. We will not be able to process your samples without this information, so please be sure to fill this out completely before you continue. Begin with your personal information on the front: name, date of birth, and personal details. Then provide any hormone, supplement, and prescription information. If necessary, feel free to provide additional information in the text boxes on the back side of the requisition form before proceeding to the next step. The steps below vary depending on the type and length of your cycle, so it's crucial that you understand your own cycle before beginning collection. The first day of your cycle is the first day of full menstrual flow, not just spotting. No matter what length of cycle you have, whether it be standard or short, meaning 34 days or less, or long, meaning more than 34 days, you will always begin collecting on day 7 of your cycle. It's best to begin by writing this date on your collection schedule, then follow it. For all samples, please collect each morning upon waking for the day. Following the pattern laid out in your instructions, you'll collect through the luteal phase, or the latter portion of the cycle. And when your next period starts, you'll complete a final collection. This consists of 4 final samples, all collected on day 4 of your new cycle for the complete portion of your kit bundle. Lastly, if your menstrual flow starts before you finish the schedule, collect 1 extra sample the next day, then skip straight to the final collection. If you collect the final sample and menstrual flow has not begun, call our lab for guidance. If you have no cycle or do not bleed but do have functional ovaries, such as you've had a uterine ablation or partial hysterectomy, it is okay for you to begin collecting any day. Collect every other day until day 31, then complete the final sample on day 33. The collection days listed in cycle-specific columns on the collection form are very important to monitor and fill out as you progress through collection. In any cycle scenario, there is the addition of the final 4 urine samples taken on day 4 of your next cycle. The important thing to remember is that your instruction sheet maps out exactly which days to collect based on your cycle type. Following this specific timeline is what makes this test such a powerful tool for understanding your unique hormone rhythm. Now it's time to collect. Grab the filter paper and check the box for waking sample, given all samples are meant to be taken upon waking for the day. Then provide all necessary info on the label, including your name, date of birth, and the date and time of collection. It's best to fill out as much as possible before you begin collection. If you do not complete all information on each collection device, we may not be able to process your samples, so please ensure you filled out every line. Open the collection strip. The filter paper on the inside flap is the part you'll saturate with urine. Collect your sample by urinating directly on the filter paper for 2 to 3 seconds, or dip it into a clean cup for 2 to 3 seconds. Either way, be sure the paper is fully saturated. Once you've verified your paper is fully saturated, lay it flat on a clean surface to dry for at least 24 hours. Samples must be completely dry before shipping. Because you won't be shipping these within 48 hours, fold your dry samples, then place them in their plastic bag to be stored in the freezer until ready to ship. On the final collection day, which is the 4th day of your new cycle, you'll collect 4 urine samples. The first sample, titled Waking, is collected the next morning within 5 minutes of getting up. Please don't lie in bed awake. Rise and collect promptly. The next sample, titled Plus 2 Hours, is collected exactly 2 hours after your waking sample. It's best to set an alarm for 2 hours following the waking sample. The next sample, titled Dinner, is collected just before your normal dinner time. This is typically around 5 p.m. or 10 to 14 hours after waking. The next, titled Bedtime, is collected just before you go to bed between 10 p.m. and midnight. After completing all your collections, double-check all samples are properly labeled on the filter papers and the requisition form, and ensure you've accurately completed your collection schedule. Place your fully dried samples in the resealable bag, then pack them with your completed requisition and completed collection schedule form into the prepaid return mailer. Ensure the mailer is securely closed, then drop the package off at the appropriate carrier. If you have any questions, visit dutchtest.com/instructions or contact us at info@dutchtest.com or 503-687-2050. Thank you for choosing to test with Dutch. We're proud to be part of your health journey, and we look forward to helping you and your provider get answers that make a real difference. If Dutch has impacted your life, we'd love to hear from you. Thank you for being part of our mission to profoundly change one life, then a million more.